Are you talking to Froggy? Oh. What does he say? You say something to Frog? No? What? Hey, Blakely. Hey, Missy. Hi. Hi.
If I put it in with
Hi.
the lid on. Mom, if I put it in.
Can you say something?
If I put my in with the lid on. The bottom lid on.
Oh, Bessie.
How am I gonna open it?
I don't know, and I'll come help you in a second. Blakely was talking to Froggy.
Can you do this? Can you do
Yeah,
this?
just a second. Blakely, can you say something?
I will.
Can you say something? Oh, Trace is helping his brother.
I
How
did
cool is
it.
that? What? What did you say?
I did it.
What did you say? You're looking at the camera like, what is that thing? Oh, that's a nice grandma face. Here, can you say something? Blakely, hey, psst, psst. Blakely, hi. Can you say something? Can you say something? Can you say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandpa. Huh? Anything? Yeah, smile. Oh, there's a cord. Whoops. You smile. Huh?